Today I'm going to show you how to make a fabulous football cheese ball. Some saran wrap. I got 1 package of taco seasoning, 25% less sodium. I'm trying to be a little bit more healthy. 2 slices. It's supposed to be American cheese, but I'll be honest with you, that's Velveeta. You need a cup of sharp cheddar. I've already chopped that up. You need 2 boxes of 8-ounce original cream cheese at room temperature. And you need a half a cup of scallion onions I've already cut. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire and 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika.